Hello everyone, welcome back to Recoverit Review. Have you checked SSD and storage prices lately? Whether it's SSDs, SD cards, USB drives, or external hard drives, storage has become more expensive than ever. Because of that, many people are holding on to their existing drives instead of upgrading. But that also means one mistake, like accidentally deleting files, formatting wrong drive, or losing a partition can become much more costly. Most people assume those files are gone forever, but before you spend money on a new SSD, what if you could simply recover the data you lost? Today, we're taking a look at Wondershare Recoverit, a data recovery software designed to recover deleted files, formatted drives, lost partitions, and data from external storage devices. Let's put it to the test and see how it performs. One thing I noticed right away is how simple the software is to use. The interface is clean, easy to navigate, and beginner-friendly. After launching Recoverit, you can immediately see available drives, partitions, and connected storage devices. Let's start with one of its key features, Partition Recovery. Accidentally formatting a partition or losing access to one can be a nightmare, especially if it contains important documents, photos, videos, or work files. Recoverit makes the process straightforward. I selected a formatted partition and started the scan. Within moments, the software began detecting recoverable files and organizing them into categories, making them easy to find. Next, I tested external recovery. A lot of us store important files on USB drives, SD cards, portable SSDs, and external hard drives. Unfortunately, these devices are often where accidental deletions and formatting mistakes happen. For this test, I connected an external storage device that contained deleted files. Recoverit detected the drive immediately and allowed me to begin scanning with just a few clicks. As the scan progressed, it found recoverable photos, videos, and documents that had previously been deleted. This feature is especially useful for photographers, content creators, students, freelancers, and anyone who relies on external storage for important files. Now, let's talk about advanced recovery. Sometimes a quick scan isn't enough, especially when you're dealing with formatted drives, lost partitions, or older deleted files. That's where advanced recovery comes in. Recoverit performs a deeper scan of the storage device and searches for additional recoverable content. During testing, more files continued appearing throughout the scan, including videos, images, documents, and other file types that weren't visible at first. Another feature I found helpful is the preview function. Before recovering anything, Recoverit allows you to preview supported files so you can confirm you have found exactly what you are looking for. Once I located the files I wanted, the recovery process was incredibly simple. I selected the files, clicked Recover, chose a safe location, and within moments, the files were successfully restored. What I like most is that the entire process feels designed for everyday users. You don't need advanced technical knowledge. Simply select the drive, scan for lost files, preview them, and recover them. Of course, recovery results can vary depending on the condition of the storage device and whether new data has overwritten the lost files. That's why it's always best to start the recovery process as soon as possible. After testing Wondershare Recoverit, it's easy to see why it's become a popular data recovery solution. Its combination of partition recovery, external storage recovery, advanced recovery, and file preview tools makes it a practical option for recovering lost data from a wide range of devices. And perhaps the biggest takeaway is this: deleted files aren't always gone forever. In many situations, your data can still be recovered if you act quickly and use the right recovery software. With storage prices continuing to rise, recovering lost files can be a smarter and more cost-effective solution than immediately replacing hardware or starting over from scratch. So, before you buy a new SSD, before you assume your files are gone forever, and before you spend money replacing storage, consider recovering your lost data first with Wondershare Recoverit. That's it for this video. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more tech reviews, software recommendation, and gadget content here on Recoverit Review. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.